Welcome back to my channel. And you guys remember the time I said I'm going to be showing you styles that won't break our budget? I was not joking. No, I was not joking. I mean, just because we're a royal priesthood and a peculiar nation, peculiar people, why should we break the budget? Please, excuse me. So guys, this is what I'm going to be using this video. See this Brazilian wool. I did not even finish using all. I hardly used half. Guys, oh my god, I came in full force, full package. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Learn a thing or two. Comment, like, subscribe if you haven't. And yes, guys, I hope you enjoy. You learn. This is learning something. So I'm going to be using the cotton comb to divide the hair into two parts, two equal parts. And mind you guys, as I was trying so hard to get this down middle part, I was not able to until my friend intervened. So yes, you might need someone's help if you are doing it on yourself, but if you are doing it on someone, I guess you'll be able to do it perfectly, or you can cut it in the way you are used to. I decided to cut it in two equal parts so that it will be easier for me to do on myself. Then the next step is to pack the half you're not doing now. Well, at least that's what I did. So then I'm like cutting the first line of the hair. Guys, I had an injury. I didn't have a big mirror in front of me. Guys, you can do this on a budget. When I told you that, hey, we are not going to break a budget to look beautiful, I meant it. But yes, time is going to be spent. So it was cut. It was just a powder mirror was in front of me. And yes, voila. Then you start cutting into tiny pieces. Let's just say tiny pieces, just small portions. If you want it large, fine, but I did mine in small portions. So I used instincts to cut the cell. And whenever my friend came in, she was like, I asked her, is it straight, is it this? So let me say thanks, boom, thank you, Boomy, in the comment section. At this point, I was trying to cut the length of the hair that I'm going to use to wrap the hair. Somebody asked me today, like, what's the name of your hairstyle? Guys, I don't know, because it was just something I just wanted to do. And it worked, I guess. So, I don't know the name of the hairstyle. Maybe you guys should give it the name in the comment section. So, this is how it is if you were supposed to wrap it in your hand, the way I cut it. Can you see? That's the length. Then taking the pieces, I took a strand of those things I cut. Then wrap the base tightly, not loosely but tightly, not spaced out, tightly, round and round and round. Around. Yes, I just start the base tightly. Then I'm going to move forward by making the body with space. So it's going to look like a twist out in a way, only that I didn't use my hair to twist the other side. I hope you can see it clearly. After the base is being wrapped, now I've started the loose wrapping. Yes, so that's how I did it. After this is done, you're going to see it again, and I hope you do learn. If you do have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. If you are curious about anything, you can also put it in the comment section. So we're going to repeat the same process, wrapping it tightly at the base, tightly going till you feel secure before you start moving it down with space. For me to measure my space, one of my fingers was in the middle, then I put it at the back of my finger in case you do want to measure your space. Depends on the size of the space you want. So one of my fingers was above, then I kept wrapping it at the back of my finger. So that is what I did.
next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate.
3 things everyone needs to learn to accept. Number 1, if they could, they would. Number 2, no response is a response. And number 3, not everyone has the same heart as you.
Change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay.
When you work on yourself more than anything else, everything else will work for you.
That's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
What's your passion? What is your purpose? And I feel like once you discover your passion and your purpose, it's like no matter what happens in between that road, you have to get back in your car and you have to keep going to your destination. You become a better person than you was yesterday because of the journey you took. Make those mistakes and embrace it.
God really knows what he's doing. Don't stress out. His timing is perfect. His plan is perfect. He's got you right where he wants you. Keep pursuing him. God really knows what he's doing. Don't stress out. His timing is perfect. His plan is perfect. He's got you right where he wants you. Keep pursuing him.
Oprah Winfrey once said, "Do the one thing you think you cannot do. Fail at it. Try again. Do better the second time. The only people who never tumble are those who never mount the high wire." This is your moment. Own it.
Friendly reminder, your taste in people will change as you start loving yourself.
No one wants to tell us why discipline is so important. Discipline is one of the greatest forms of self-love. It's ignoring current pleasures for future rewards. And it's loving yourself enough to do what needs to be done in the pursuit of what was meant for you.
Yo, person who sent you this message wants you to know that things get hard sometimes. And you simply being there helps a lot more than you know. So thank you. Lovely. Yo, person who sent you this message wants you to know that things get hard sometimes. And you simply being there helps a lot more than you know. So thank you. Lovely.
Thank you guys for watching. If you found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. See you in my next video. Bye.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even